everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Oldsmobile 442, and I mean killer car, guys. 46,000 original miles on this car. I believe it's a two-owner car, and I believe it spent most of its life with the same owner. Originally bought new in Louisiana. We have the original owner's manuals and Protecto plate for the car. This car has most of the original paint still on it. All the factory soft gray glass, matching numbers 350 car with air. And I mean a little sweetheart, man. This thing runs and drives like brand new. Factory color, Saturn gold metallic. It's got the factory, as a matter of fact, I think almost all this striping's original, because you can kind of nitpick it. You can see it fading a little. And again, as you walk around the car, most of the paint's original. You can nitpick some little things. But very, very nice car, guys. It's got 3 of the 4 T3 headlights in it. Bumpers are original. Love this color. Factory saddle interior. You can see how nice that dash is. Look how nice all this stuff is. And again, original soft gray glass. Fit and finish is excellent. This is a great car. Love the color. Again, this is all painted on pinstriping. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the, they did put new dual exhaust on. It's got new Flowmasters on it, but it's got the correct chrome tips. Gorgeous car. And like I say, you really got to get in it and drive it to appreciate how nice this car is. Goodyear Eagle STs all the way around it. It's got the factory SS2 body color wheels, front disc brakes, great car. They just went through the air. The car has been converted to run on pump gas, so it runs on unleaded fuel. Again, matching numbers. You can go ahead and open the doors in the trunk and everything, Dale. Matching numbers 350, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power disc brakes. Again, they've just gone through the air. The air blows cold. .350 automatic trans. Oh, look at this original inspection mark up here. Good car. Oh, I left this on here too. I want to show you this. It's on an Air Force base. This is a 96 Air Force Base pass. Just a nice car, man. Look how nice that original remote mirror is. Somebody has loved this car. They didn't just own this thing. They've loved this car. Original door sticker. Look how clean the door seams are. how nice the interior is. Factory bucket seats, center console, factory shifter. Looks like the original sill plate's still on it in here. I mean, look how nice the seats are. There's a little fade to them, but really, really nice. Headliner looks great. All the correct seat belts in it. Original steering wheel. Look how nice the gauges are. 46037. Air blows cold. I couldn't get the radio to come on. Factory AM radio. I mean, it's even got the correct rubber floor mats in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is the factory 10-bolt rear axle. I think 323 gear. It's got the rear sway bar. Look how clean. I mean, everywhere you look, this thing is clean. Original Goodyear polyglass spare. Factory jack. Original owner's manuals. Protecto plate. Original spackle in the trunk. I'm going to try to pull this up without this falling too far apart. Look at this. Look how clean this car is. Original mat's kind of falling apart. I mean, this car is killer. Everything opens and closes real nice. And like I say, it drives like a little sweetheart. Clean underneath. Great car. Really nice car. Good deal, fired up, yep. Like I say, car just runs and drives sweet as can be. Air blows cold. They'll just kick it on for you. I mean, just a good car. Take off down the road. Great sound. Everything. I mean, it's just a great car. Great car. Backup lights work. You're looking for a nice Olds, man. This one will be tough to beat. Again, I couldn't get that to come on, Dale. But blower motor works. I know the wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of your inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look at that thing.